Hello everyone, just can't sleep. It's around midnight, and so I figured I'll make a video on a few things in my kitchen. So right now I've got my wall oven and microwave combo by Thermador here, and on the bottom is our warming rack. So in 5 years I've never used the warming rack on the bottom, but you know what, normally I wouldn't have paid for something like that, but I didn't because just the package on a floor model actually ended up saving us more money than actually buying just the wall oven alone. So I think that's pretty cool. What you're gonna see there is we have 10-foot ceilings, although they look really nice. I'm on my tippy toes, barely able to reach up, and you can kind of see, yeah, it'll soft close there. It's just not very practical. Same thing. What you're gonna see is our pantry over here. We've got dry goods, all that, but obviously, as you see, I can't really reach very high up there. And the one thing with a nice white kitchen cabinet color, you need something to like have a splash of color. That's where the KitchenAid works out really good. So again, this is our setup here. Same thing. These are 8-foot doors, so you can see they're pretty cool. We've got our plastic plants that will last longer than the real ones because obviously I wouldn't want to be watering those every day. And I'm going to close those doors. They're not closing lately, but yes, what I wanted to go back to was, yeah, I really like the oven, the microwave. This warming rack thing is cool. You probably saw some dust in it. It's never been used just because I don't really know the real reason, but again, it's in the eye of the beholder. So yeah, maybe it's my rant about 10-foot ceilings. Maybe that's what today's about.